Hi folks, so this is kind of exciting. Somehow, this little rooster right here, young rooster, is not dead yet. But it's been gotten twice at least, maybe 3 times, by this that's right in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. It's a juvenile. And it's just out here hunting. And it's not scared of me, really. It's been just a few feet from me. Yeah, there it goes. It wants this chicken I got in my hand. Huh. Alright, I guess we'll see if this thing will make it. He doesn't look too much worse for the wear. A little bloody on his face. A little bit there. I don't know.